Today I'm in the tech corner with Gareth from Allied Machine and Engineering, and we're going to be talking about indexable drilling. But before that, Gareth, can you give me a brief insight into Allied Machine and Engineering?
Certainly. In 1941, Harold E. Stokey founded Allied Machine and Engineering in America. In 1992, Allied Max Cut was formed in the UK to supply cutting tools within the UK and Europe. In 2000, we partnered up with Skubala in Italy to supply reamers and burnishing tools. In 2015, we got rebranded as Allied Machine Europe because of the takeover by Allied Machine USA. And in 2016, we partnered up with Volupta to offer boring solutions. So with Skubala and Volupta, it gives us a whole solution from roughing to finishing the hole.
Thanks for that insight into Allied Machine and Engineering. So what have you brought into the tech corner today?
We've brought our Indexable carbide range of drills. We'll start by our Vortex fixed pocket U drill. We start from 12mm up to 47mm. Lengths 2, 3, 4 times D. The larger the diameter, the larger the shank. Looking at the shank end, we've got dual coolant hole coming through the back for coolant supply. Comes on to the front of the drill. Vortex means 4 times indexable, so we use all 4 edges. So the centre insert, cut, you can rotate it 90 degrees to use then the opposing side in this, and then vice versa, this edge comes into this edge. So we all utilise all 4 cutting edges. U-drills are good for roughing out material quickly, higher revs, low feed rate, relatively low power consumption for the diameter that you're drilling. Above 47mm, we come to our Revolution drill. It's a replaceable cartridge style tool. One cartridge is fixed, the other is adjustable. So anything happens on the front of the tool, we can take the screws out, take the damaged cartridge off, put new cartridges on, replace it with new inserts, carry on your drilling process. The Revolution drill starts at 47.63 and goes up to 101.6mm. Drill lengths 2.5 times D up to 4.5 times D. 50mm, 40mm shanks with a locking flat through coolant, comes onto the inserts by centre hole. If you haven't got the power to do large diameter drilling, we go over to our opening drill. Opening drill needs an existing hole. You may have drilled that with original TA, Genesis, and the idea is we've got adjustable cartridges, so you offset the diameter, small offset of the inserts, 4.5mm, so you get a nice W form in the cutting profile, and the idea is you can do larger diameter holes on smaller powered machines with the opening drill. And we do 2 lengths. We do a 1 times D and a 2 times D. 40mm, 50mm shanks. And
you've just gone, by the way, that was probably one of the best monologues I've ever heard. That was brilliant. Now, I just want to go back to the cartridge drill and the opening drill for the same reason. You were saying that one cartridge is fixed and one's adjustable. Yeah. Now, what benefits on cost saving per drill does that give a customer, as well as being able to open the hole up if needed?
So with the Revolution drill, smallest range is 3.5mm adjustment. On the larger tools, you've got a 5mm adjustment range. So you can buy one tool, and then rather than have it fixed pocket for that one diameter, you've got the adjustment in the range. And by having replaceable cartridges on both tools, you know, the investment is in the tool body, and then you can save costings by only replacing the front of the end of the drill if you have any breakage concerns. You'll notice that the inserts in both tools are the same size. It's an OP05 insert. It's a proprietary insert to Allied Machine with our in-house coatings, AM200, AM300 for steels, do tin coated for aluminium.
So what sort of industries are you seeing these types of drills go into?
So it's not really industry specific, but it could be sort of component specific. These are roughing tools, so large diameter hole as a rough cut, and then you can either bore the hole, You can ream the holes to finish size. So it's any application or any component that's got a large hole, so you want to remove material quickly and securely, you can do that by using one of our tools on the table.
And let's not forget, there's always one problem with a U-drill is you always end up with a disc. You always end up firing the disc out. So what happens if you're doing a stacked component? Have you got a cartridge and an insert to help a customer not have that problem, which could essentially break a tip?
Yeah, with a U-drill style tool, it's most common to have an exit disc. So with our Revolution drill, we have two styles of cartridges. We have a standard cartridge that you can see, but then we also have a stack plate cartridge. The insert cartridges are angled, so going through that sandwich plate material, you don't produce a disc between the plates. You only produce a disc on the bottom plate. And if you have discs between plates, if that disc moves, they're susceptible to insert breakage, tool breakage. So by having a dedicated cartridge for stack plate drilling, it gives a secure process in that type of application.
So if somebody's at home who are using just standard HSS drills, they've not sort of got onto using a U-drill yet, how can they get more information from you guys and also trust that process of my machine's only got 30 horsepower, have I got enough power to run that tool?
So against any of the conventional style drills, an Indexable drill uses high revs, low feed rate. 4 times Indexable, 3 times Indexable, all reduces the cost of the insert, cost per edge. So to prove all that theory out that we say, we can go to our website, www.alloymachine.com. There's an online product selector, series of boxes, diameter, length, material and harness. It's going to tell you how much power you need for the drill, how much coolant you're going to need for the drill. If you're happy with everything, then you can go to our catalogue, go to the opening drill or the Revolution drill section, guaranteed application, fill the form in, email it to our technical office, and we'll put this tool on a guaranteed test.
And then what happens if your software comes back and says I need more horsepower than what I've got? Can I come to you guys and use your technical expertise to find another solution that will also work for me?
Yeah, so with our armory of tools, if you haven't got the power for the Revolution drill at 100mm, then we could look at using the opening drill, pre-drill the hole with TA, and then come with an open drill as a second operation to produce that large diameter hole on your smaller powered machines.
So how do people get in contact with you if they've seen or heard anything and want to know more?
So you can either phone our technical office, or easiest way, all the catalogue information is available on the website with our online product selector. So that's www.alloymachine.com.